The acidic strength of the following. So here we will compare the acidic strength in this organic compound. So if you see here A, B and C, so if you remove hydrogen from here, so this becomes your conjugate base. So this becomes your conjugate base, and stability of the conjugate base, this acidity depends on stability of conjugate base. So if you see here, this becomes anions. Here again, after anion, this will be your pi electron. So this will again conjugate to each other. But if you see in case of this here, so this is again consecutive. So there is a possibility of more here, then followed by. So in conjugate base, if you see here, this is again negative. So this will go this side. This will go this side. So this is a more nearer to this one. And again, if you see here, so this is far away. So if you see the acidic strength will be, this is a more conjugate base, this is lesser than this one. So again, order will be A, B will be more acidic, then C will be then followed by A. So this is the acidic order of this series. Now in these cases, which is more acidic? So here we have lone pair. So here methoxy group is there and F3C is there. So if you see here, so this is your causing your minus I effect. So minus I effect increase acidity. So acidity is increased by proportional to minus I effect. So there is more minus I effect. So here is less, and then followed by this one. So order will be like this: C is more acidic, then B, and then A. So this is the acidic order of second questions. Now third, here we will see that in this group, यहाँ पर you see. This is the F. This will cause your minus I effect because it is near to this oxygen. So if you remove this hydrogen, this becomes negative. This will more stabilized by fluorine. Then this fluorine is far away, and this fluorine is far away. So stability of order will be like this one. First will be your A. This is then followed by this one B, and then followed by C. So this is the stability order of this series. Now fourth one. In this order we can see, so this is the ketone group. Here is one hydrogen, there is one acidic hydrogen, and here we have one acidic hydrogen. But here we have only one acidic hydrogen. So there are two hydrogen, one acidic hydrogen. And here we have acidic hydrogen on this side, no acidic hydrogen, and here we have acidic on this side. So among the following, so we can see here this B will be the most acidic. So this B will be the most acidic, then which will be the least acidic. So we can see D will be the less acidic. So B is the most acidic. This now we have to decide A and C. So among A and C, A will be the most acidic, then followed by C. So this is the acidic strength of following compounds. Now in this groups A, B, C, so among we can see here, this is ketone, this is the ester, this is the diketone. So definitely in diketone, this will be your more acidic hydrogen. So B will be the among this one, this is more acidic, then followed by A and then C, because this ester will be far away. So here hydrogen is nearer. So acidic strength will be first will be B, then A, and then C, because this is the ester, this is the ketone, and this is the diketone. So diketone will more acidic in nature. So this is the acidic order of this series. Now in case of this one, A, B, and C. So we can see, so if you remove this hydrogen over here, so this is under resonance, three double bond is there. Here we have also 3 bond, but this pi electrons is also nearby. And in these cases, if you remove hydrogen from this side, so this will also undergo resonance. So if you see overall B and C, so in overall B and C, so C will form. If you get the number of resonating structure, C will get more resonating structures. Number of resonating structure is proportional to acidity. We can say that. So C will be more than B and then A. So A is having a less number of resonating structures. So this will give acidity order. Now here arrange the hydrogens in acidity, increasing order of their acidic strength. So these are the hydrogens A, B, and C. So which is more acidic? So you can see here this oxygen attached with this hydrogen. This is also double bond is there. So along this one A, B, C, this B will be your Here we have field lone pairs are present, so this can also conjugate, and this where we have two OH group, this side group, this side group. So here one ketone, we have OH group, but there we two OH groups are there. So this will be B will be more acidic, then followed by A, and then followed by C. Hydrogen of B is more acidic, then hydrogen of A, then hydrogen of C. This is far away from this one, so this will be less acidic. Now in case of B, here which will be more acidic? So we can say this. These are the two minus I effect. This will cause these two fluorine will cause minus I effect. So A will be your more acidic, then definitely followed by B, because this is causing oxygen here. So oxygen hydrogen just attached with the oxygen, so this will be again more acidic, then followed by C because this is attached with the two fluorine, and then again D. So this is the acidic order of the following compound. Now in case of here, which will be more acidic? So here we have A, B, C. 3 is there. So along A, B, C. So if you see C here, this is the keto. This is a keto group is there. So definitely HC is more acidic, then followed by B group, then followed by A group. So this is last. This is least acidic. Now in case of here A, B, C, D. So if you see here A, this is present in the carboxylic group. So this is the carboxylic group order. So this will definitely more acidic. Then come to here, this is hydrogen attached with the oxygen. So this will be second acidic. Then you can see here hydrogen. So this hydrogen can be removed. So not hydrogen. Again this one here to have C there, which will be more acidic. So this will be near to the sulfur. So this will be more acidic. Then followed by HD. So this is the acidic order of this whole molecule.